Alright, and welcome to another Tutorial Junkie tutorial. Here's what we'll be doing. So, you want to use your Xbox 360 controller with your computer, which is, this is going to be pretty simple, pretty easy. One thing that you're going to need to do is come here to download the driver for the controller. And the link will be in the description, and xpadder, this will be in the description too. These are the two programs that you'll need. One's the driver, and this is a program that you're going to need. Alright, well, xpadder, you're only going to need xpadder if you plan to play on a game that is not, that does not support a gamepad. So, this is optional, and xpadder also costs money, so that is another thing to note. I got mine free. If you want to know how to get xpadder free, then message me, I will tell you, but I will not show you in this video. Let's just say it's a little bit less legitimate. Yeah. Okay, so here's what we have to do. First, you want to download this driver. You want to go ahead and download it. Download it. There it is, downloading now. It's downloading. You're gonna open it and whatnot, all that stuff. Cancel. I've already installed it, so I can't install it again. I also have to reinstall it, which I don't want to do. But you just go through the process, follow the instructions that they have on screen and whatnot. Nothing special you have to do there. Now, once it's downloaded, here's the problem that a lot of people run into, and a lot of people just give up on this. Okay, so you have it downloaded, but it still doesn't work. And this is because you have to apply the driver yourself, which they don't tell you, which I don't think you're supposed to have to do that, but you do, because Microsoft, I don't know, they're idiots or something. So you want to go to that start button. You want to go here to this start button. You want to right click on computer, click manage. Pretty easy and simple. And now you want to go down here and press on device manager, and then you're going to see unknown device. You might have to search for it through these, but just look for something that says unknown device. And once you see that, you're going to want to click on it, right click on it, and go to properties, go to driver, update driver, browse from my computer. Let me pick from a list, and you want to pick 2009 because that's the latest driver version. It's 2009. By default, it already will have 2006, and also on the disk there's the 2006 version, but the disk is complete crap, so throw that away. That's going to have 2006 version on it, which you do not need. That does not work. It may work for some Windows XP users, but for Windows 7 users, it's not going to work. And for others, it's probably not going to work. I'm not sure. It might work for you, but 2009 is the latest version. You should use that. You want to click next, and I know it's already installed, so I press no, but you want to go through all the instructions, install it, and it should work, and there you go. It's working. Now, once you have it working, you want to go ahead and you want to download xpadder. And what xpadder is going to do is it's going to convert your controller's buttons and features. It's going to convert that into keyboard and mouse input. So it's going to make your controller into a keyboard and mouse. And you can actually configure it and whatnot. And let me just show you what xpadder is going to look like. And you only need to use xpadder if you have if you want to play a game that does not support a gamepad, meaning it doesn't support the controller. That's what it looks like. It comes with image files and everything. And like I said, message me if you want to know how to get xpadder free. I will gladly give you the link. But you know, you don't have to subscribe or anything, or like or anything either. You know, but I will gladly give you the link, whether you're subscribed or not. But I would like it if you subscribed. Yeah, but this is xpadder. This is what it looks like, and once you're in, you can press new. You want to go, here's what you want to do. You want to go to open as soon as you get here, because let me just show you, there's going to be image sticks and whatnot, but just go here, go to open, and if you download the one I give you, or the one that comes with, I think the one that comes with it comes with the controller images as well. I'm not sure though, but you want to go. I usually use the GameStop Xbox 360 whatever, blah 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 controller. Open that up, And there you go. And I know this does not look like the Xbox 360 controller, but it works. It'll work. It'll still work. So once you do that, you want to turn on your Xbox 360 controller. And I'm assuming that you already have the Xbox 360 controller set up to the receiver. If you do not, then all you got to do is, press the sync button. There you go. So now that your controller's working, it's on everything. Now you just need to, like the sticks, enable, press cancel on that. That's going to pop up, press cancel, enable, press cancel. That's your right stick. This is your left stick. Yeah, that's the right. That's your right stick. Alright, so that's your sticks. Then you have your D-pad, enable, cancel. There you go. And the reason why you want to use the image is because it helps you keep track of buttons and whatnot. You're going to see what I'm talking about. Because the buttons look exactly the same. See this? Like that. Yeah. See how those buttons look the same? So if you didn't have a controller image, you wouldn't really know where the buttons were unless you pressed them. Because you'll see a flash whenever you press the buttons. But, it's just much easier this way. Also, another button. The analog stick button. That's the left analog stick button. Right analog stick button. There you go. Then you got the start button and the back button. And you can completely program these how you want. I'll show you that in a minute. Then you have the bumpers. Left and right bumpers. That's the right bumper. Yeah, okay. You have the left and right bumpers. Now is the triggers. And for that, you're just going to hit enable, cancel. And the triggers will already be left and right where they are. There you go. And if you ever get lost, just press the buttons. Remember, they'll show a flash for you to know what button that is. There you go. Okay. And oh yeah, I already have this on here. This is the input script thingy that you're gonna have. This the sheet. You really only need to do the layout once. That's what this layout is. The layout, the buttons. You only have to do that once. But the this is my Minecraft controls right now. But the script, you're gonna have different scripts for each game. So for the sake of this, we're gonna have a new one. And and I'm going to give you a base idea of what you can do. So this is the left bumper, and let's say we want the left bumper to be able to, I don't know, maybe you want to jump with it. There you go, that's your jump. And oh yeah, as you can see, that it's like that. You can also edit the dead zone and whatnot, mouse settings, make it a normal mouse or inverted mouse. Go mouse settings, and you can change the sensitivity and whatnot. There's a lot you can do here with xpadder. And like I said, yeah, see, I'm using my controller right now to move. But like I said, if you want to play a game, you won't need xpadder as long as your game has like gamepad capability, like Battlefield, for instance, as you see up here. Battlefield, it actually has gamepad support, which means you don't have to go through xpadder. It'll automatically know what these buttons are and what they'll do in the game. They're made to run with your controller. However, other games like free-to-play games, most aren't gamepad compatible. So yeah, these are just things to remember. And also, xpadder will run in the background, so you can just minimize it, and it'll run in the background. And then if you want to stop xpadder, you have to go to your task manager. There you go, and it'll stop it. It'll show up all the way down here as xpadder in processes, in process, and that will stop xpadder from working. There you go. So this has been a Tutorial Junkie tutorial. I hope it helped you. If you have any questions, message me. Leave in the comments if this worked for you. I would like you to like the video and leave a comment. If you have any questions at all, just feel free to message me. Also, I will show you how to get xpadder free. Well, message you on how to get it free. Send you a link to it. If you just message me, you don't have to be subscribed or anything. I'm happy to show you how to get it for free because it's such a good application. I think everybody should have it.